Hello everyone, my name is Pranab Mukherjee and I am from Kolkata. I have completed my bachelor's degree in BCom Honors from Calcutta University. After graduation, I get to know about Evision TechnoServe through one of my friends. Then I joined Evision's 45 days internship program where I became pro within 45 days. Evision teaches you from scratch with practical knowledge. Special thanks to Mr. Ganesh Murthy sir, Priya ma'am and my HR Muskan ma'am for their endless support. After the completion of the course, within 1 month I got placed at Nexa Technologies. I'm very grateful that I have got teachers like Rahul sir, Prince sir and Vivajit sir. And also I'm planning to join the cloud course in upcoming days. I will highly recommend those who want to start their career in IT and build their knowledge and skills. Thank you Team Vision for helping me to crack my first IT job.